Hi, good morning, everyone. Let's get started with the next topic, which is synchronizing SLD. In this topic, we'll see a couple of items about SLD. We will talk about the SLD structure, the layout of different components within SLD, and how to sync the SLD. Okay, so this diagram, I think you might have seen it. It's basically the architecture of Solution Manager showing different components. At the center, you can see the actual solution manager. On the right side, you have the operations component, which is showing the solution directory. Okay, then on the left side, you can see it's Iris, and you can integrate Iris with solution manager and can establish the mapping for any business process document or business process model which you have defined, and you can upload it directly into the solution manager. Okay, then you can see that there is a BPR template is there. Okay, then you have test plan, learning plan. Okay, it is getting integrated with test automation tools like Tau, integration with HPQC, integration with product prod pack. Okay, then you have integration with job scheduling tool, integration with ITSM, ticketing tool. So this is how the different components interact with solution manager. Okay, now let's look at the SLD aspect. Okay, on the left side you can see the different content which is delivered by SAP. Okay, in this particular content you can see its product version. Okay, SAP products are the applications SAP ships and groups set of functions to solve business requirement. Say for example that ERP is one application. Okay, then you have CRM as another application. So they are called as product versions. Okay, there could be standalone product version, could be add-on product versions. Okay, so let's see the product versions. Here you can see that this is explaining the product version. Okay, you have product version. SAP ERP 6.1 is one product version. Then you have add-on version product. Then you have product instance defined. Okay, product instance is central application. Here product instance is ECC server. So for portal side you have product instance as portal content, and you have product instance as portal content here. Okay, so we have seen product version, product instance, software component. Okay, so product basically what we have seen is it's the applications SAP ships and group set of functions to solve business requirement. Okay, then product version we have seen it's basically that is installing a particular product version on hardware. Okay, and keeping track of all the versions. Then software component. Okay, software component it's the product versions bundle that are made available at the same time for implementing a specific scope or functionality. A software component is the smallest entity that can be installed on a technical system. Okay, then you have support package. Okay, support package it's the smallest component, okay, which SAP delivers to fix any issues. So on this side, on the left side, you can see the components which is supplied by SAP. Okay, this is the content which SAP delivers. Okay, now let's see the component on the right side. On the right side, you can see a solution map. You have a business process repository, solution, business process are there. Then we create out of the product instance, we are creating a logical component. A logical component, and then on this is the technical system. technical system is also having same set of component what you have the SAP delivered component. It has a installed product instance, installed software component version, installed support package. Okay, and if we take from the maintenance point of view, we work on the product system. Okay, so you can see that this information is stored in SLD, which syncs the LMDB, and all this information is used by the technical landscape, by the logical landscape, and by projects and solution. Okay, we have seen this. It's basically how the product system is what it is comprising of. Okay, it's comprising of add-on product version, standalone product version, your product instances, okay, your technical system. Okay, then let's see how the information flows. So here we are seeing the flow of information about a technical landscape. You can see that it's information is flowing. Basically, you can see that the first is you need to register a technical component in your system landscape in the central directory. So that is the first step in the cycle. So what happens is that you register technical system. These are the technical systems that you have, multiple technical systems. Okay, so these technical systems, they get registered in the system landscape directory. So this happens via automated data suppliers that are set up in the technical system. So we install diagnostic agent, we install host agent, which automatically supply the information to SLD system. Okay, to send the information, to send technical system information from SLD to solution manager, we set up the synchronization connection in solution manager. So the automated sync takes place between SLD and LMDB. Okay, so LMDB is the component from solution manager which gets the information from SLD. Okay, to complete landscape description, create product system description in LMDB manually and run verification. Okay, so this happens through SMSY. So in SMSY, we manually create the product system description. So that is the third step. You can see it here. Okay, after that, for the information that is captured, which is used by the maintenance optimizer, okay, for calculating any software upgrade, software patch update, or okay, so this information is supplied to SAP marketplace via this connection. Okay, this connection happens through your SAP router here, okay, which connects to the SAP support backbone. Okay, and you identify the patches or the software components which need to be downloaded, and it gets downloaded in the download basket. Okay, and then once it is identified, the stack file is copied or transferred in the technical systems. So each technical system will get the respective stack file. So this is how the flow of information takes place in a system landscape. Okay, so this is what we covered, that how the different components, the information is flowing through. Okay, so now let's see the landscape patterns. Okay, landscape patterns, actually it's a terminology which is used to define how and the solution manager models the landscape. Okay, so in the landscape management database, you need to set the landscape pattern for a technical system to define whether it is used by one or several product systems. So if it is used by one product system, it's called as sidecar scenario. You can see it used in one product system. If the technical system that you have is used in multiple product system, you call it as a hub system. The assignment of landscape pattern is especially required for technical systems of type AS Java that is assigned to one or more product system, in which also ABAP technical systems are assigned. Okay, so for this particular example, you can see that this is a Java system where the extended ID is SD7. Okay, so we are defining this as a sidecar that is used in one product system. You can see that this scenario where we have a product system as ABP, which has product instance as A1 and A2, and you have your technical system which is your ABAP system ABP. Now on this side you have Java system which is JAP, and it has technical systems. It has a product instance of J1 and J2 and product system JAP. So this is a sidecar scenario because the technical system we define is used by only one product system in both the cases, here as well as here. Now let's see the hub scenario. Okay, so let's see the hub scenario first. Okay, hub scenario is, you can see that this is an hub scenario where this product system, okay, it is used in this technical system, it's used in multiple product systems. Okay, so let's see the example. Here you can see this is an example here. This particular system, it's used in it's used in this product system as well as it is used in this product system. So we define this as a hub system. Okay, so how do we define that? You can see that this hub system, which one? This one, F6X. Okay, so this product system, this product system is used in both the systems. So this product system is used in this system as well as in this system. Okay, so we define that as an hub system. So take the definition for the hub system, because when in SLD or in LMDB we define them as a hub system because they are used in multiple product systems. So this is how we ensure that we can identify which systems, so we can basically define the clear-cut mapping between the systems. Okay, so we have seen that how the synchronization works. Okay, how we can define a product system. So landscape pattern, we have seen there are two types, hub type and sidecar type. If there are multiple systems involved, product systems, we define them as a hub system. Okay, then we have seen about how the information flows in a system landscape. Okay, the information from technical system goes to the SLD. From SLD it gets fully synchronizes the LMDB. LMDB, it gets into SMSY, that is system landscape. From there the information comes to the maintenance optimizer. Maintenance optimizer uses this information to find out the updates for the product, for finding out the changes which is required when we are doing an upgrade, the different type of the list of the software component which is required when we are upgrading a system. Okay, then we have seen the product system. Okay, so how the product system is consisting of technical systems, then product version, add-on product version, standalone product version. Okay, we have seen this how the SLD information. So this part refers the SLD because this is the information which is inbuilt in SLD. Okay, this information coming from the managed system, so you have a technical systems. Okay, and this is what we have seen the architecture for solution manager, how it is interacting with different components within. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover in this particular training session. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.